Good morning, students. Let's go for the next problem. I'll read out the question. Prepare a cost sheet for a company showing different components of cost for 2005 from the following details. So, information is given related to all the department expenses and direct. We have to identify which is should be taken to prime cost, which will be taken to factory overheads, administrative overheads, and selling and distribution overheads. Okay, see that raw material we will take it to prime cost. Wages paid to labor, that is direct labor, it is nothing but direct labor, so take it to prime cost. Directly chargeable expenses, that is also direct expenses, so we have to take it to prime cost. So if we add these three, you will get the value of prime cost. Next, oil and wastage is related to factory because it is used for the machine. Wages for foreman. Foreman will work in the factory, so factory expenses. Storekeeper wages, he also related to factory. Electricity power, factory. Lighting, Thamesville divided and given. Factory we have to take it to factory. Office we have to take it as administration. Rent, factory, office, administration. Repairs and renewals. So repairs and renewals, factory plant, factory. Machinery also used in the factory only, so factory overhead. Office premises, it will be related to administrative. Next, depreciation. Office premises, administration, plant and machinery, factory. See the reverse the given. Initially everything given first of factory, then office. But here office first, then factory. So correctly you have to take administrative and the factory. Consumable stores, factory. Manager salary, manager will be work, comes under the administration, so administration. Director, administration. Office, printing and stationery, administration. Telephone charges, telephone also will be used in the office, administration. Postage, office. Salesman commission and salary, so salesman commission and salary related to sales, selling and distribution. See that traveling expenses, sales and distribution. Again, advertisement, sales and distribution. Warehouse charges, sales and distribution. Carriage outward, sales and distribution. Remember, carriage inward comes under the direct expenses. It will be added with the material, direct material. But carriage outward is related to sales. Finished goods will be taken from the company to the marketing place. That expenses will be called as carriage outward. So it will be comes under selling and distribution. So carriage inward should be added with the material purchase. Carriage outward should be taken to the selling and distribution overheads. So here we will prepare the cost sheet. Two amount column, per unit is not given because units produced is not given. So we will take first direct material. We'll take direct material 80,000, direct wages, that is wages paid to labor, that 20,000, chargeable expenses, 4,000, total 1,04,000, that should be taken as prime cost. Okay, see, direct material, direct wages, chargeable expenses, all should be considered as a direct. It should be taken total, that will be called as a prime cost. With the prime cost, we have to add factory overheads. So one by one, we have to take oil and wastage, oil and waste 200, wages to foreman Wages to foreman 2000. Wages to foreman. Storekeeper wages 1000. Electric power 400. Lighting only related to factory we have to take, that is 1000. Office we have to take it to the administration. Rent, here also only related to factory we have to take 4000. Repairs of plant 1000. Machinery 2000. Depreciation on plant and machinery 400. Consumable stores 2000. Take the total. This total will get 14,000. It is 14,000. Add with the prime cost. Prime cost we have 1,04,000. Add 14,000. We will get 1,18,000. For this we have to write it as factory or work cost. With this we have to add administrative overheads. Next, administrative overheads. One by one we have to take. Lighting of office 400. Rent of office 2000. Repairs of office premises 400. Depreciation of office premises 400. Then manager's salary 4,000. Director fees 1,000. Office printing and stationery 400. Next, telephone charges 100. Postage and telegram 200. This total 4,000. This total 9,500. We had with the 1,18,000 and 9,500 will get 1,27,500. For this we have to write it as cost of production. With the cost of production we have to add selling and distribution. So selling and distribution overheads are given. Salesman salesman salary. Salesman salary 1000. Traveling expenses 400. Advertisement 1000. Warehouse 400. Carriage outward 300. This total 2100. So 3100. This total 3100. We had with the cost of production 1,27,500 plus 3,100 will get 1,30,600. This is called cost of sales or total cost. See, in this problem they are not given any information about the profit, or they are not given any information about the sales, so we cannot find out both the missing information. So here itself we can stop the problem with the total cost, because profit information not given, sales information also not given. Okay, so direct material, direct wages, direct expenses always should be taken to prime cost. After that we have to add factory overheads. So all the oil waste, wages to foreman, storekeeper, electricity, power, lighting, rent, repairs to plant and machinery, depreciation on plant and machinery, consumer stores, all that be taken to factory overheads. Administrative overheads are lighting of office, rent of office, repairs office premises, depreciation office premises, manager's salary, director fees, office printing, telephone charges, postage and telegram. Selling distribution, salesman salary, traveling expenses, advertisements, warehouse, carriage outward. Okay, so all that should be added. You will get the total cost, that is cost of sales or total cost. No profit information is given and no sales information is given in this problem. So with the total cost itself we can end the problem. Please go through the format, learn all the expenses related to factory overheads, administrative overheads and selling and distribution overheads, so that you can easily identify which expenses comes under which heading. Then you can prepare the statement very easily. Thank you.